This one decision could kill your chances of bringing in recurring commissions as soon as possible in a profitable way if you don't know what to look for. I'm Robin Williams, if you don't know who I am, and I just wanted to talk to you about the type of business you're going to decide to build as you seek out a way to bring in recurring income to help you and your family with your bills, savings account, and any other thing that you may need to help you on this journey of life. The first mistake I see people make is just trying to find the hardest way to bring in recurring income. They don't really think about the type of product they need to resell in order to bring in the best recurring income possible. Most people want to start a shipping business and they want to bring in physical product. And then even when they get to the physical products, they don't even do the research they need to do to see if anybody really wants to buy these products or my target market on these particular platforms that I plan on using to advertise my business. What I'm going to share with you is what I believe one of the most profitable ways to bring in recurring income without all of the headaches, and that is through digital products. And before you close this video and shut it down forever, because you've probably heard people say, create digital products, create an ebook, and do all this technology stuff. I'm going to show you a way that you can resell digital products without the headaches of creating your own products, without the headaches of having a lot of stuff that people would normally tell you to go out there and do, which is do a whole bunch of techie work that you probably don't even know how to do yet. Therefore, adding to the learning curve it would take you to get that money. Now, here's the shortcut. First, choose a digital product, but you want to make sure you choose one that is a winning digital product. What do I mean? A lot of people, again, they go get these ebooks, they go create a lead magnet that leads to something that they created, which is weird because unless you're really knowing about what you're writing about, you're probably going to resell a product that doesn't have much value in it. And then how do you make money the next month on an ebook, right? You want to have a digital product that entrepreneurs cannot live without, okay? One of the digital products that I resell is called a funnel builder. And this is simply like a website that you can utilize in your business to start giving out free stuff and building your list as a business owner, to start selling your products as a business owner, to create membership sites and things like that. Another really cool software that I resell, a platform that not only has the autoresponder that business owners need in their business every single day, they have some software that help them move extremely fast when it comes to marketing their business and getting the word out for their stuff. If I wake up without these tools and trainings myself, I'm pissed. I'm wanting to go find a system to replace it ASAP. This is something that I pay for every single month, and I will never let them go. I've done this for 10 years straight. I know a lot of people who has done this for 10 years straight, where they simply just keep the products. So that's 10 years that people have kept recurrent income because me as a business owner, I keep buying those same products over and over and over again. So don't just pick a digital product, pick a digital product that people can't live without. They can live without an ebook, right? They buy it one time and then the next month you won't make another dime from them. If they buy a software they can't live without, then guess what? That next month they're going to buy again, that following month they're going to buy again, that following year, and so forth. But let's be real, these digital products and services and softwares are already created for you to where you can just put your links in front of the right people and collect the check. Do not try to go out there and create your own software. Probably 9.99 times out of 10, you're not going to be able to outdo the softwares, the big giant software platforms that are already out there and already established. They already have the knowledge to build this type of stuff. You just want to get the link to those products and services in front of the right people. And then when you do that, you get the check. You get the cut of the check for that member. And you can do this through something called affiliate marketing. This is what I definitely prefer in my business because when I resell products in affiliate marketing, I am not in charge of the customer service. I am not in charge of any refunds. I am not in charge of any technology issues that might happen in the company. I am not in charge of any of the issues that might arise inside of the company. All I have to do is put my link right in front of the members, and the platform that I'm going to be telling you about can be found in the description below. But that platform does the rest for me. It cuts me the check right after members buy, and I don't have to do anything else. Now, I do support my members when they purchase. Sometimes that's just the person I am. I like to reach out to connect to make sure they have a great experience with the products and services that I am offering, because I do believe that that helps me with my reputation for anything else I want to resell out in the future. But you can just go about your day if you want and do that, because I know for me, what I refer people to, the community as a whole can support my customers with any issues that they may have. So simply by cutting a lot of the work out of the process, you're not worried about establishing a whole company. You're not worried about building products, pages, emails, funnels, membership sites. Then you got your marketing that you have to do, learning how to market, get things out there, doing it all on your own, expensive tools. Why not start off with a platform that's going to give you the tools that you're going to need no matter what type of affiliate business or online business that you do? What do I mean? Inside of the link that I show you below, we have the tools that business owners need and want every single day. They use these tools every single day. And basically, it's like the company pays you to use the products. I pay for these products. I use them myself. I offer other companies or business owners these products. They take them, they buy them, they use them, I get paid. It's that freaking simple. If you want to know how you can start building a real residual income that you can start touching, meaning you're in profit after just 2 sales on this platform, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.